Taylor. So this is your website. First things it looks nice. An issue though I see is it doesn't have much for content, and for some reason, whoever made this, they didn't put this in here as content. They're skipping this, so Google's not even reading this. When I go to put it on here, I only got 270 words. Where if you had those reviews in here, it would add a bunch of content to your page. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. It's one of the ways. It's an easy way to help you rank when it comes to Google. The next thing, let's see what these images are saved as. You don't want this. You want these to be saved with a keyword. So Salt Lake City flooring or floor contractor Salt Lake City or whatever keyword you're trying to rank for. It's just a way to get. It's just a missed opportunity if you don't do that to get another keyword on your website. You don't want to keyword stuff, but you definitely want to have content with keywords on your website. Let's go check out floor contract Salt Lake City. First, there'll be ads right up here. Then you got the GNB. And then you got the organic traffic. So let's grab this guy. This is his website. He's got more content, but he doesn't have a ton either. He only has 642 words. So you could definitely beat that. You know, if you added 1,000, you go as high as you want. You go 1,500. It doesn't really matter. The more you have, the better. So you know, it's definitely, there's not like an upper limit. You know, there's pages out there 3,000-5,000 word websites or pages. You know, it doesn't matter the upper limit as long as you have more than your competition. This guy doesn't save his images right either. Lots of people don't. They either just don't know about it or haven't done any. They probably don't know about it, or they've forgotten. But it just, you know, it's just a missed opportunity if you don't do it. So tossing you into Eros, which is a cool tool, lets you see how many backlinks, referring domains, and what your keywords are and how much traffic you get. You don't really have a lot of backlinks. You probably just have, let's see, those don't give you anything. It's just coming from, I don't know what it's coming from. We can find out what it's coming from really easily. It's just coming from like an image website, Blogspot. I don't really know. It's not giving you anything because 0, 0. You want not all backlinks are created the same. Let's go look at your competitor. First, I'll show you what your keywords are, just so you know. So Google's finding these two for you, and you're not even on the first page for them. So that doesn't help you there. But let's test in this guy. He only got 7 UR, so he's not too high there. 27 DR, so that's better, but not insanely high. Backlinks, he's got 1,440. Referring domains is 405. He's got 787 keywords he's ranking for, and he's got 423 organic traffic a month from that. But let's go in here. So not all backlinks are created equal. You want high DR and high UR. You don't want spammy ones. Google knows what a spammy backlink looks like. It's just websites that are just sending out links to all kinds of places, and Google's like, yeah, it's just spam. So it's gonna give them low scores, and it's not gonna help. It's gonna hurt websites that have links from them. You also want to make sure it's relevant to industry. You don't want to go get fast food or skydiving or something that's not relevant to your industry. So you'd want, you get a lot of strength from a flooring company or a web page or something that's relevant to your industry or similar. But we can come in here and try to find ones that we really like. This looks like to be, I'm guessing this is the guy that does the SEO work for this guy's company. So yeah, this company is just giving them a backlink from their page. It's one of, so this guy's paying this guy, and This guy's just giving a backlink to his customer, who happens to be this guy that's getting the backlink. If that made sense, it probably sounded really confusing. But this is a directory, Home Advisor. So he's on Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, directory. You can just come down here and find all the ones you like and grab them for yourself. Figure out how to get it. Go. You obviously can't get this one. You'd have to get a different link. But you can go check out other competition, grab all their backlinks too that you like. Other ways you can get backlinks: guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles, anything that will link back to you. But you want to make sure it's not spammy and it's relevant. Let's check out what this guy's ranking for. Let's just type in Salt Lake City. I'm not going to type in city because Salt Lake should be good enough. But we could also check out other areas, cities around, if we just did that, or we could look through all of his, but not narrowing down this keywords. But let's just look at this. I think Salt Lake City is going to give us plenty of volume and KD. See hardwood flooring, Salt Lake City. This is Moneymaker, 100 volume, 14 KD. I think it's 36 traffic. So 14 KD is not too bad. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's not terrible. 17 is a little bit harder. 5's pretty easy. So if you do carpet installation, you want more of that. Just toss this keyword in as in your content. Add more content and toss this in there, or put it saved as an image. And you can get 60 volume a month, 5 KD, very easy to rank for. And you just keep coming down here. Tile installation, 30 and 6. Tile installation, 30 and 6. Yeah, I just did that one. Wood flooring, 70 and 23. Tile stores, if you want to be a storefront. Let's see. Tile, Salt Lake City, 118. Carpet, 111. Laminate countertops, if you do that, there was only 20 and 0. But, you kind of get the picture. You just go down here and you find the ones that you like. Then you just do your research and you put them on your webpage. And then you can start ranking for them. The next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You just got to verify yourself with Google. They'll send you a postcard. You want to make sure you fill out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then you want to add as many photos as you can. The more photos, the better. You want to make sure they have keywords in the photos as well. Photos are just the content for the GMB. And then you want to get citations. Citations are directories. Like Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB, Home Advisor, anything anything I'll give you a citation. Google will just go, GMB, we'll go find all the different citations out there. Google is smart. It can pick them up. You want to make sure the GMB name and the citation are the same in the directory. The phone number and the location. Hopefully I didn't confuse you too bad there. I was a little bit lost of brain thought, but hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a phone call or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.